We can't hear you, sir. I'm not seeing or hearing anything. Send the link in my site to resend it. When the man was restless, number to join by him. Wọ́n ṣe ń comment ní ìyẹn o. All right, welcome back, everybody. Oh no. My network here is bad. Coming back here now. Okay. Oh, my network is bad. Okay, when I'm back, I will. Just that I can't see anything here. All right. Good evening, everyone. Please, if you can hear me, just comment yes. Let's see. Just comment yes. Okay, if you can hear me, just say yes. Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, all right, let's start now. All right, good evening once again. So sorry for starting, behind the schedule. Please, I'm very sorry about that. So we can start now. All right, the course is GNS 301. That is the course code. The course title is Use of English 3. Now, the course structure has 4 different major topics. And that means the exam will be in 4 different sections. Section A, Section B, Section C, and Section D. So you are going to have the exam questions in 4 different sections. And I'm going to tell you how the structure will go like. But for the 4 major topics, now we have the first topic as the English sentence structure. There we should understand the 5 major grammatical units in the English language, which are morpheme, word, the phrase, the clause, and the sentence. But our major concern will be on the phrase, the clause, and the sentence. So we should be able to differentiate between a phrase and a clause. Now then we should know what a sentence is. So that is for the first section, Section A. So it's going to be on sentences. So what do we have to know under that major topic? Number 1, the phrase and type of phrases, the clause and types of clauses, then the sentence and types of sentences. Now, on the phrase, you should know the different types of phrase like adverbial phrase, adjectival phrase, noun phrase, and some other phrases according to function like infinitival phrase, gerundic phrase, and the noun phrase. So infinitival phrase, gerundic phrase, and participle phrase. Okay, so those are the types of phrases that you should try and understand. And don't forget, for any adverbial phrase, you should be able to tell us what type of adverbia. You know, we have different types of adverbs like adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of concession, and so on. Now, you should tell us the types of adverb we have, if you have to indicate any type of adverb. Then for clauses, the same thing. You should know that there are 2 major types of clauses according to structure. That is the main clause and the subordinate clause. Now, for the subordinate clause, we concentrate more on them more than main clause, because any subordinate clause will have a particular function it's performing, and the function will give it the name we are to call it. So in that regard, for any subordinate clause, we could have subordinate clause as adverbial clause, as noun clause, as adjectival clause, and so on. So we should understand those ones, although it is very essential that you are able to identify the main clause and differentiate it from the subordinate clause in any sentence that contains the 2. Now, because of those people that we have to go for one thing or the other, we are going to start the past question straight away. Now, like I said, it is divided into 4 different sections. Section A is the English sentences. We are going to be treating the first semester examination 2024-2025 session past question for GNS 301. 2024-2025 session. That is the immediate past session, 2024-2025 session. So we are going to be looking at the past question, and we will treat every question that we have there. So for section A, it is based on sentence structure. Then for section B, that is on logic. Don't forget, I told you each section will give you 15 marks, which we all together make 60 marks for the examination. So section A is 15 marks, section B is 15 marks, C is 15 marks, and D is 15 marks, making 60 marks. So section B is logic. Now you are going to